Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did over the weekend. I was able to convert a Street Fighter Cross Tekken for the Fight Stick for the Xbox 360 to work on Wii U Super Smash Brothers, and actually works pretty good. What I did was bought a third-party Wii remote, Raw Candy, I think it was, and I took it all apart, left the motherboard in there, and I soldered all the points into all the buttons and the joystick, and I had to add a little more things up here in the corner. Other than that, alright, so I got the sync button. I'm sorry you can't see it backwards, but that's the start button. That's the back button, select button. And what else? Alright. So you got you A, B, X, Y, RB, LB, RT, LT. Alright, so remember you are playing on a sideways Wii remote. So what I did, I assigned all the buttons to what I think would be the best way to do this, to play this properly, will be the 2 button on the Wii remote, assigned to A, just the attack buttons. Then you got the 1 button assigned to the B button, which is the special buttons. Then you got your minus button assigned to X for the grab. B button assigned to Y button, which is the shield. Now, and the taunt button I assigned all the way to the top right corner, because most of the times I don't taunt that much unless I'm really hyped. And of course I left out the RB, the RT, and the LB, but I'm actually thinking about putting the 1 and 2 buttons assigned to the RT button, so I can just do a smash by itself. Just hold and give me a smash attack. And of course, since I still want to use this for the Xbox 360 whenever I'm playing Super Street Fighter, actually haven't plugged it up yet, but I was able to mod the D-pad, left stick, and right stick to work in my favor. Let's see if I can get something. Okay, so right now, if I leave it on the neutral middle, it'll completely turn all the power off. That way I don't waste any power. And I assign all the LEDs to the proper remotes. So all the ones on the bottom are assigned to the Wii remote. Nice button, by the way. And whenever I turn them on to the Wii U side, so I can turn it on, hit the Wii. Either I can hit the Wii U remote, or what I did was I will change the select button for the power button. Sorry, I don't know if you saw that correctly or not. So I can hit the power button, and it'll give me the assigned controller. I can only go to a third player because unfortunately I burnt out the LED for the 4th player, but I'm pretty sure I won't have 4 people playing on this thing. Alright, so, and I turned the turbo button into the Wii remote menu. There you go. So I hit again. Now the only problem I have with this is whenever you turn the Wii menu on, is that you can't really do this, the up, down, left, right on this side. Because remember, you're still playing the Xbox like the Wii remote like this. So you know, naturally you're gonna have to do this, which means either one, you're gonna have to get used to this going clockwise for like a second, because see, if I go up, it's gonna go left. Give me a minute. There you go. So left, my up is left. So unless I turn the entire fight stick on its side, I know what I'm doing. But you know, that's the only problem with that. So alright, hit that. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it feels, how it looks. So alright. Now, if you think you're gonna play this like Street Fighter 5 or any other Street Fighter game or any other game, any fighting game, you're gonna be in for a surprise. Alright, so I get the neutral neutral attacks. Neutral, forward. There you go. Alright. Then you got your bottom tap, hold for a second, and your hard smash. Same thing with up. Alright. So, now, the question is, can you do a Hadoken? Just using the attack button. Question is, it's pretty hard. Alright, so, down, forward, down, forward, down, forward. There you go. There you go. You just gotta find the sweet spot for it. Which, let's be honest, we don't really have that much time to find a spot. Alright, so I'm gonna try the Shatanako Hadoken. Hey, I got it first try. Good. Shoryuken. Alright, got it. What else? Oh yeah, Tatsumaki. Tatsumaki coming up. Tatsumaki coming up. Coming up. Coming up. There you go. Okay. You can still do the Street Fighter inputs on this thing, but it's a lot tougher than it looks. So I'm just trying to do a Hadoken. There you go. There you go. Right. There you go. Okay. I can still press the B button. It'll give me a regular one. That's not the point. Should be able to do this, no problem. Come on. Come on. There you go. Alright, so I'll try the grab. Oh yeah, if you want to run on this, with this thing, you're going to have to double tap. You don't know why that's a thing, but oh well. Alright, you can still move freely. I mean, there's no problem with that. You just gotta have to get used to it. I wonder. Hang on. Ah, can't do it. Nope. Yeah, to do a cancel focus. Okay, that's not what I wanted, but it's close enough. Alright. Now, taunts. Here's the regular taunt. Taunt bottom. Taunt sides. And that's it. I got the shield. And that's it. If you guys need any help on how you did this, just let me know and I'll provide the information I have. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah. Oh, I sucked.